Hey y'all, my name is Erica Walker, and back in December, whenever I was looking for a work from home position or something that I could do from home to work around my family, I stumbled across Michelle's live and was intrigued by the six figure blueprint. So, whenever I saw her success and I started seeing every day the successes that she was having, I was like, oh my gosh, I can do this. Or I can't do this, but I can do this. So I purchased the blueprint, and I'm going to tell you what I love so much about this blueprint is it gives you step by step exactly how to be successful. And what's not in that blueprint, it's in our online community. Our online community is second to none. So this training is one of the top-notch trainings I think that is out there. I took other trainings before this program, and it was no.
Hi, my name is Christine, and I discovered the IPS blueprints through TikTok and found them amazing. They are so easy, step by step, teach you everything you need to know and how to market on social media through Craigslist and TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And they are so easy. And then I also was able to learn how to set up a sales funnel and have an email campaign out there working for me 24/7. So I only have to work 2 or 3 hours a day. And just the other day, I made $1,800. So I think they are awesome. And this is my testimony to tell you that you will love these. And our community is outstanding. And Michelle has so much good stuff in there that teach you everything you need to know. And it has helped me tremendously. And everybody in there is super nice, out there cheering you on and very supportive every day, even on your bad days. They're there cheering you on. And I just love them. And I have learned so much in just a short amount of time. And I would highly recommend anyone to purchase and invest the low investment for these blueprints to make money online.